Hello all, so this is the video number 3 and we are going to look at the exercise number 3 and we are going to configure a pod to use as secret. So let us get started. So I will be moving on to the terminal. First of all, I will try to list all the secrets that I may have. You can see that in the default namespace there are no secrets. So I would create one. I would say secret. I would say generic. I would be making the use of literal and I would say the CAD is equal to, let's say, x, y, z, 1, 2, 3 for that matter. Okay, I have not given the name, so let's call it as the name as, generic secret. I will be giving the name also CKAD. So we have created a secret known as CKAD. If I try to get a secret, I think it should be getting listed as you can see. Now I will be generating a file. So before I do that, rm -r ccad3. I will be deleting this file so that it's not there. Let me refresh my, okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically create, let's say run, I would say CKAD3. I would be making the use of image nginx, which will be getting pulled. Image is equal to nginx. I would say -o YAML. I would say try run is equal to client. I would say restart. I will be giving one more argument, never. So as you already know that dry run is basically used to create one particular YAML file, which can be subsequently used to create a pod, right? So this is how it is. If I try to look at CKAD3 YAML file, this is how it looks like. So since we intend to create one particular pod which might be using a secret, therefore we need to make certain changes to this particular file, right? So let me exit this particular file and I will be moving back to my VS Code environment where I will be more comfortable. So what I'm going to do here is, so just give me a sec since I'm going to make a little bit of changes. So let me, if I move here, I will be making a little bit of the changes here. So now here, my pod name is CKAD3 and here also CKAD3. Image we are using is CKAD3. So I'm just trying to make a little bit of the changes here and here, just give me a sec. So I just wanted to get secrets. I'm just trying to retrieve a secret which we have created. So secret we have created with the name as pod CKAD. So I will be giving the name as CKAD. And here, so I'm making certain changes. And if I move back to my terminal, now I will be making the use of this file. I would say create. I will be making the use of the file. I would say CKAD3. So let's try to create a pod. Okay, there is a typo there. So if I try to so you can see that we have created a pod. If I clear my screen, pods, you can see that we have a CKAD3 pod created. It's up and running. I will try to assume a shell of this particular pod. I would say CKAD3. And what else I need to do? I need to assume shell in an interactive mode. I would be giving in sh. So here I am. If I try to list the environments, you can see that we are basically the secrets, the key value pair which we have created, it's already stored in the key value pairs as an environment variables. So this is what we are looking at. So I will just exit from this particular pod. And so this is what we are looking at in this particular exercises. You can also refer this particular GitHub repository for that matter. And I will see you in the exercise number 4. And thank you